Today in the Technology Corner, we're talking about the PTx OutRun autonomous platform. It's a retrofit kit that enables autonomous grain cart and more recently tillage operations. Mike Schlitt from PTx shares a few stories from farmers in the field about how OutRun is winning them over in the race to autonomy.
In some scenarios, when we think of, there were several growers that specifically someone on the farm was not available or they had something else they had to do. If OutRun was not there, that task would have been put on hold. It would have been paused until they were available again. So another scenario is where the wife on the farm who's also raising their children was constantly being pulled into the grain cart, and this freed her up and gave that family the ability she could take care of the family, and her husband could run the grain cart through OutRun while he's in the combine. It's a way to add, again, efficiency. I think absolutely, as we start to get it more out there, just like anything, no different than planning at high speed. You would never do it until you had confidence in it, until you believed that it worked and you saw that it worked. As autonomy gets out there, you'll start to see, hey, this is a viable option. This is something that really works. I can depend on it. I can rely on it. I have awareness of what it's doing. And now I have the freedom of, is that the most important place that I need to be? Or could I be somewhere else? Or could someone on the farm who's helping me be somewhere else? So yes, I think it will be adopted. It just has to gain trust.
2026 most valuable dealership, Precision Agri Services, started testing OutRun this past fall, even explored using it with a horse seeder. And CEO Bill Lemkool says, yeah, there were a few glitches at first, nothing too major that couldn't be worked through. And so far, so good with the system.
I had experience with the systems from Raven and SmartAg. So we were originally one of the SmartAg dealers. And so things have came a long way as far as ease of install of a system, the functionality of the user interface, and I think it will continue to grow. I think it is a viable system for those that don't have enough help in the fall. On the grain cart side of things, you can allocate that labor over to somebody else, either doing tillage or seeding. But the other aspect of it is taking that same system and be able to do tillage and or seeding with it, like some of the OEMs are going down that road, such as John Deere being able to do autonomous tillage, etc.
Now there's a one-time hardware investment and annual service fee for the kit. It uses Starlink to overcome some of those rural connectivity issues, and it's compatible with various John Deere and Fendt tractor models. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.